ESG is top of mind for us all, and just going through the effort of formalizing controls, climate-related controls, people-related controls across the organization, and figuring out the testing procedures and who's going to test it and what can they be tested, and bringing that all together again is really, I think, our biggest opportunity right now and our biggest challenge.
The regulatory environment is really important to us, especially on an issue like climate change. If you think about what the world is doing, hundreds of companies, thousands and thousands of companies, individual citizens, all working to reduce emissions. The regulatory landscape plays a big role in, and we've seen incredible growth in regulations around disclosure, guidance from the Treasury on target setting. And so we kind of embrace that and have been looking around the corner for a long time to see, okay, this is what makes sense from a policy perspective.
I think one of the biggest challenges in the ESG space is just the dynamic nature. So things are always changing, which is super exciting, but also makes it a little tricky to try and build a strong foundation.
One of the biggest challenges I face as both Associate General Counsel and as a leader in the ESG space is the nonstop changing regulations that we have to research and consider and decide whether we comply and whether we have to comply and then how to comply.
ESG reports have a special place in my heart because we want them to be both authentic and accurate, but also beautiful and tell a compelling story.
How we keep up with changing regulations, probably one of the most important things that we do. You have to have a great team filled with experts that are in the space that's most important to you. Climate risk is a terrific example of all that.